Hi, I'm Laura Zhang from Property Brokers, presenting One Wharite Place in Awapuni. Here we have a property where there is more than meets the eye, with 3 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a double garage. Location is everything here, being placed in a quiet cul-de-sac, super sunny and close to scenic river walks and fantastic schools. You can't go wrong. Let's go have a look. Whether you're a first-time buyer, you're looking to downsize, or you're looking to invest in a tidy property, you need to see this one. Call me today and don't miss out.